everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you my HUMMER H2. Today I'm going to share with you my daytime running light, DRL lights. It's very easy to change it and very simple, and I'm going to share with you how to do it. And let's get started. Hala lighting. I'll list under my description in case if you want to change your HUMMER light. These are the LED DRL light. This is the driver side light, and we're going to go behind the light. This is the light. You can see it, and I'm going to turn it anti-clockwise. You turn it, it opens up, and I'm going to pull it out. So this is the bulb. We're going to pull it out. This is the bulb we have taken out, and this is the LED we're going to replace it with. And this is the holder itself. We're going to insert it in, and you're going to press it. Heard the snap, and then you just press it. Make sure that it's locked in. This is the big notch. This is the smaller. This is the smaller. If we look at here, that is the big notch on the top, then smaller. The way it's gonna go into the bigger notch. So I'm just gonna go back. Easier way to do it, grab in between two fingers, just like this. You insert it in, just like this. Once the bigger notch and the smaller notches are aligned, so clockwise you turn it, and that's it. And I'm going to change on the passenger side. This is the passenger side, and it's very easy as well. And we're going to turn it anti-clockwise. So just press with the fingers up, just like this, and it opens up. And we're going to take the bulb out, just like this. And just grab it and pull it, and the new LED will go in, and that's it. And now we're going to put it back. That's a bigger notch. These are the smaller notches. This is bigger, smaller. So I'm going to place this one. We're going to go inside, and we're going to put it in. So once we insert it in, so as you see, it's seated nicely. And now with the fingers, we're just going to turn it clockwise. It locks in. That's it. And it's all done. These are the two bulbs taken out. This is broad daylight, and I just turned the lights on, and they are so bright. They are very bright. And at night time, and that I'm going to show it to you. This is the night time, and I'm going to turn my DRL light. Check it out. Look at this. This is so bright, very bright. And if we can look at on the other side, can see driveway. It's very clear. It's almost midnight here, and look at the light performance I wanted to share with you. So bright. I hope you're going to like it. And you want to do it on your HUMMER? Please check it out, the part number description under my info. Like always, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps. I'm going to see you soon with another DIY video. Thank you for joining Easy Steps. Have a good day. Bye-bye.